Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig, and I will be linking where you can actually purchase it down in the description box below, but we're gonna get right into this. So this is how it comes packaged. Let me see. It actually does it not come with a wig cap? So this is how it is. The wig actually has this hairnet over it just to keep it from getting all tangled. And then the wig itself looks like this. Look how pretty that is. It's super long. The curls look absolutely gorgeous on this. I need to go get some scissors and a wig cap. This is actually the first wig that I've ever received that did not come with a wig cap. But I actually have some from other wigs that I've reviewed. So I'm gonna go get a wig cap and some scissors to cut that front piece off, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got a wig cap. I just got a dark one. Most of my wig caps are actually like skin toned, but I couldn't find them. So I'm just using this one, which is fine because it's just made to keep the hair from falling out and just keep everything in place. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to cut this lace piece off without it being on my head. I just find it easier for me to cut it this way. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I just like to grab it. It just makes it look more realistic towards the front. I don't know why they do that. Why they don't just automatically cut it. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. And as you can see, this is what the bottom looks like. They use a mesh on top to make it look like real skin. As you can see, like it looks really nice. So the inside does have these adjustable strings. It is black, and it has these clips. Every wig usually has these clips in the front that help it just kind of stay so it doesn't slide off your head, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna flip my head upside down and put it on, flip it up. Whew. Like little hairs all over my face. I'm going to try to get these clips into my hair and kind of adjust it. I can't stand feeling hairs on my face. Okay, all the hair's out of my face. Usually when you do that hair flip, it does that. Kind of gets all in your face. So this is what the wig looks like. It is like black to blonde. You can kind of see my scalp. And this is my natural hair. So I could pull out some of my natural hair because my hair is actually like a dark brown to blonde, and it would actually just kind of make it blend a little bit better. So if you're wearing it like this, like it does like look super fake, but if I was to put a hat on, you're probably not gonna be able to tell. Let me see if I can't find a hat. So like this, like I said, usually you can tell just because the line, unless you're used to wearing your hair like that, then maybe it wouldn't be as noticeable, but I do not. But if you wear your hair like if you wear it with a hat, you really can't tell. It's a lot of hair, and it feels super synthetic. Like you can tell it is not real human hair. It is synthetic, so of course it's going to feel synthetic, but you can tell. But it is really, really pretty if you're wanting to just try something new or go incognito. I think this is really cute. Or if you just like wanting to go to the store and you don't want to have to do your hair, like just throw on a wig and a hat, and nobody would ever know. Nobody would know this is fake. And I think it's really cute. So this is how I would wear it personally. I wouldn't wear it without a hat. I mean, if you're really good at wigs, you could probably make this look good. I've never really, well, I have worn a wig, but it was a long time ago and I wasn't really good at wearing them and I never really got into it. So this is just for fun, or like I said, if I was wanting to go to the store but didn't want to get ready, I would throw one on and wouldn't have a problem with it. I know they're really, really pretty. I love this blonde peekaboo in the front. I wish they would have made it a little thicker. I think that would have looked really pretty if they would have done it like that, like about that far out, like made all like about like that. As you can see, I'm kind of making it look like that by doing that. Try to put this on like that. That is super pretty. I love that. I love my face to be framed with the blonde. I think that looks so pretty. Yes, I love that. So this is really, really long hair. And it's really, really cheap. I will put where you can actually purchase this down in the description box below, along with a link to it. So if you want to purchase this same wig, it'll be down there. But this is what it looks like up close. This is what the back looks like. It's super long, like you can see. So you can use heat on this. It has all the care on this card right here that tells you the length and everything. So pretty easy to take care of. Super, super pretty. So you just kind of see, I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys are looking for maybe a new wig, something that's cute. I think this is super cute. You could also put it in like a ponytail. Hold on. I'm trying to do it. If you wanted to. Let me pull it through here. If that's something you're looking to do and you really can't tell, just get your baby hairs and then you'd have like a huge ponytail that looks super thick and luscious. You could always, do something like that if you're just on the go. I've seen hats that actually have, it's like a wig, but it's just like a hat that's super cute. So that would be really, really pretty as well to do. And nobody would ever know. Nobody would know. Just pull down some hair. That would be really pretty. There's a lot you could do. These wigs are cheap enough. Like you could trial and error if you wanted to. Just to find out something that you like. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.